This free unlimited images to video AI generator will blow your mind, and it's 100% free. Buckle up, because what I'm about to show you today is 10 times better than anything you ever seen before. This is not just another upgrade, it's a total game changer. Imagine being able to create unlimited, insanely realistic AI videos for free with just a few clicks. Well, this brand new open source AI tools from China is making it happen, and it's literally blowing everyone's minds right now. So don't skip a single second, because today I'm going to show you step by step how to unlock unlimited AI video generation and start creating powerful video right after this tutorial. Alright, let's dive right in. First thing first, the sign up process for this platform is a little different. It requires you to register using a phone number, but don't worry, it's completely safe and support numbers from almost every country. However, if you are like me and you don't want to use your personal number for sign up, here's exactly what you can do. Head over to the temporary phone numbers website, temponumbers.com. Choose any number you like, copy it, then go back to the AI tools sign up page. Change the country code to match the number you selected, and paste the phone number without the country code prefix. Now, request the verification code, go back to the temp number site and refresh the messages until you see the code appear. And if you don't receive it right away, don't panic. Just choose another number and try again. For me, it's worked perfectly on my second attempt, so it's really just a matter of patience and choosing the right number. Once you are inside, get ready, because this is not just your ordinary video generator. This is a full-blown AI platform packet with multiple powerful tools that are completely free to use. Let me walk you through them real quick so you know exactly what you are working with. First, there is a ChatGM. Think of it as your very own ChatGPT integrated into this platform. You can access anything from generating prompts to summarizing text, and we will use it later to create perfect prompts for our images and videos. Next, there is our AI search. This tool is great for doing deep research because it gives you real sources and references instantly. Perfect for student marketers and content creators who need quick facts or citation. Then we have AI Drawing, which is the image generator. You can browse other people's creation for inspiration, recreate image in the same style, or simply type in your own prompts to generate stunning visual within seconds. Let's test out the image generator together so you see how powerful it is. I asked ChatGM to create a prompt for a cute dog playing with a cat. Copy that prompt, paste it into the image generator, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and hit generate. Now just watch the magic happen. Look at those results. Honestly, they are pretty impressive for a completely free tools. The details, colors, and styling are beautiful. The only downside is there is a small watermark on the images, but don't worry, because later in this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove it effortlessly. Let's download this image because we are going to use it for our video generation demo later. And while we are here, let's try another prompt. Something like a futuristic city glowing with neon lights. Again, those results are stunning, especially for a free AI image generator. You can use those images as thumbnail, background, social media posts, or even for your brand design. But here's what I am most excited about. The video generation feature. Head over to Genji AI video on the platform and you will see ton of amazing user generated creation. You can either choose the style for quick resolve or create your very own masterpiece from scratch. We have two main options here, text to video and image to video. Let's start by testing text to video. Select your preferred aspect ratio, write your prompt, and click generate. It says the estimate wait time is around 3 minutes, which is honestly pretty fast, even compared to some paid AI video generators. Here is the first result, is decent, especially for simple scenes like nature animation or concept visuals. Now let's challenge it with something harder like a Ghibli style animation again. It's acceptable and definitely useful for quick concept videos, storyboarding, or mood visuals. But honestly, the real magic happened with image to video, so let's jump into that. Let's upload the dog and cat image we created earlier and use a detailed prompt from ChatGPT like the dog licking the cat face lovingly. Click generate and just look at such a smooth natural animation, almost like it's alive. Let's try another fun one, dog playing guitars while the cat dances beside him. Wow, this is insane. The movements are lively, creative, and truly captivating. In my opinion, the image to video feature on this platform is powerful and outperforms many other free AI generators I have used so far. Just imagine the possibilities: music, visuals, short storytelling, animation, or AI concept roles for your brand or social media content. Now, let's explore to the effects section. I upload a simple portrait and try the hug effect. It's instantly transformed the static image into a cute hugging animation that looks so natural. For free unlimited tools, this is honestly one of the best AI video generators I have tested, and it's opened up to so many possibilities for your content creation. But what about that watermark? Removing it is super easy. You have two quick options. First, just zoom in slightly using CapCut or any video editor to crop it out without losing quality. Or second, go to free watermark remover website, link it below. Upload your video, draw a box over the watermark and hit remove. And look at that. Your video is now completely clean and ready to use anywhere. And that's how you create unlimited AI videos completely free with no watermark. The possibilities are endless, from viral TikToks to YouTube short, aesthetic edit, motivational reels, or AI storytelling animation. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more powerful AI tools like this, and comment below what you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.